So problem number 2 on page 17 per ship's compass asks us to determine the course to steer per ship's compass from Montauk Point Light to the entrance of Great Salt Pond, buoy R2. Okay, so again we're going from Montauk Point Light to the entrance of Great Salt Pond. So again, first thing to do is put your parallel rulers between the two places. Okay, I've got it on both places. I plot to the dot, which puts me already right on the compass rose, and I simply move the parallel rule to the hash mark in the center of the compass rose, a hash mark, and I mark my course in the direction that I'm going. Okay, so again, I'm going from Kwa Chung Pond, I'm going to Great Salt Pond. So I'm going to mark this side of the compass rose. Obviously, if I was going from Great Salt to Kwa Chung Pond, I would mark this side of the compass rose. So again, I'm going this direction. So I mark on the outer ring of the compass rose in true degrees, and that's going to give me a true heading of, looks like about 57 degrees. Okay, true. So I take my piece of paper and I write TVMDC. TV makes dull children. Okay, when you add whiskey. Okay, if you add a westerly error, what do you do with an easterly error? You subtract. So again, my true is 57 degrees. So I'll call that 57 degrees. And the variation on this chart, I get right there between the difference from true and compass is 15 degrees west. So I write that down, 15 degrees west. And what do I do every time I have a westerly variation? I add it. Okay, so that gives me 2 and 5, 6, 7. So I have 72 degrees. And I determine what the deviation is for a magnetic heading of 72 degrees. So that's probably right in between 4 and 3. It's pretty much got 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So half of that is 75 degrees. So I'm pretty close to 75 degrees. So the difference here from 4 east to 2 east would be 3 east. So I'm going to go with 3 degrees east. What do I do with an easterly error? I subtract. So that gives me a heading of 69 degrees. Okay, 69 degrees is my PSE, my per ship's compass course, to get from Montauk Point Light up to Great Salt Pond, steering by my compass. The original heading, the true heading is 57 degrees, but when I consider my compass error, I really got to steer 69 on my compass.